Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are checking out Solar Generator 3000 Pro, taking a close look at it and explaining everything in great detail because right now I think it's one of the best prices I've ever seen on it. So I'm going to be taking a look at the product page, checking out the specs and seeing how everything looks, seeing what they got to offer here. You got the Explorer 3000 Pro with two 200-watt solar panels for $2,200. That is a really good deal. If you want to get the transfer switch to hook this directly into your home for home backup, that's just a couple $100 more. If you want more serious solar, you can add 2 more solar panels on that for just about $3,000. Thought this was a really good deal, so I wanted to give you guys a heads up. You can use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a real good deal on this, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate so much. So let's take a closer look at this portable power station and see what Jackery has to offer with this. You got 3,024 watt hours of power. That is a pretty good amount of power. In the United States, people use about 22 kilowatt hours a day, just normal usage. So about 3 kilowatt hours isn't too bad. You got 3,000 watt output. That's not going to power everything, but that's going to power most everything. The only exception is going to be some bigger things like pumps, maybe some certain air conditioning units and things like that. This can pretty much power anything that you need. And the fact that you can grab this and take it anywhere really makes it a really amazing piece of technology in my opinion. And that's a lot of power. You can charge this up, plug it into your wall at home in 2.4 hours. That's crazy. Or take advantage of solar charging. And it's pretty cool that while you're charging, it's only 30 decibel noise level because I have some portable power stations that are very, very loud the second you plug them into the wall. And if being conscious about the environment is something that's important to you, when you use these, you can really be very efficient with your power use. You can hook these up to the app, giving you a really great idea how you use power, what kind of power you have coming in from the sun, how much money you're saving, and how much less fuel you're burning. And the design is portable. It's got built-in wheels and a handle on it. Very convenient. And this is one of the portable power stations that can actually run in very, very cold temperatures. A lot of these cannot do that. Shout out to Jackery for adding that feature. So like I said, this is going to be able to power almost everything. You can power a refrigerator, television, lights, electric grills, microwaves. Of course, you could charge your mobile phone over 100 times. You got your coffee machine and heater. And the coffee machine, that can really pull a lot of power. So all these things are going to be easily powered by this power station. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about this. I'm doing videos about these all the time. I do the research so you don't have to, and I got over 10 years as a power plant inspector. So I'm happy to use my experience and help you guys out with your purchases and navigating all this new technology because there is a lot of fluff in between. I'm just trying to show you guys the best things I can find, help answer any questions that you got, help explain things in more easily to understand language. So use the links in the comments or description. You can get over to this page, get a real good deal on this, and it helps support my channel at the same time. Help me do this for you. Help everybody get a good deal. Win-win situation. And a lot of these deals are limited, so make sure to click that bell icon so that when I make these videos, you can be one of the first people to get over these deals.